Hello friends, welcome to our informative media YouTube channel, and you can see we are going to create a very innovative and very amazing thing that is actually a hologram, right? You have heard it right. A hologram is actually a thing which can project a 3D image in reality. And as you can see, it's a sample which you are just seeing. I have just put this small box on my mobile, and you can see a 3D image is coming up. And this is actually amazing. I'm telling you friends, it's actually amazing, and you should try this making at home, and it will take almost only 5 minutes or something. As you can see, there are multiple samples that I have already attached, and you can just see, and you can just mesmerize this small thing, and you just want to create. I know you must want to create this kind of small thing that can create a 3D image, right? So let's get started and start our video.
Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Please subscribe our channel for latest updates and don't forget to press the bell icon.
So let's get started friends, and the very first thing that you would be needing is a tracing paper or a paper to draw whatever design we are going to make, right? We need some pencil, tape, erasers, scissor, a blade maybe, scale that you must need, and the very must and very important thing, that is a CD cover, right? A CD cover, because we are going to use CD covers material in any case. So very first thing is friends, you need to disassemble this particular CD cover, and we are going to use that transparent part to make our small box which is going to project our 3D image. So as you can see, the dimensions of this particular hologram would be it's very simple and very straight. I'm going to tell you about all the dimensions that we are going to make, and I would prefer that you also make with same dimensions to get a best results out of your hologram. You can note these values as in 4 centimeter, 6 centimeter, and the height should be 3.5 centimeter, the top would be 2 centimeter. All these measurements you can just write it down on your notebook, and you can probably create a shape like the same. So now we are done with this thing. Now we are going to trace these particular shape on my CD cover. So well friends, I hope you are loving this video, and I would suggest you to just subscribe our channel and give a like on our video. So the tracing is complete. Now the next part is to cut this shape, right? This is going to be a toughest part of this particular video, and to cut this you can use a knife, a scissor, or a blade, or anything by which is ease for you. You can just do that. So we have cut all 4 sides in a similar way using a knife, and as you can see, all 4 sides are cut, and you are going to see a shape like this from that CD cover. Now friends, the next part is to tape them all and to make a hologram. As you can see, you need to just put both the edges and tape them along so that a box can be created. Also make sure friends that you don't use dirty tapes or a colored tape, because a transparent tape is only required in this case. You can probably use a hot glue gun to stick them all. As you can see friends, we have created our hologram, and now we are going to test this on our phone. So to test this on phone, you need to download one application or a video from YouTube to use this. You can just write down on YouTube hologram videos, and you will be able to see. What you need to do is you just need to place this complete box in just middle of the 4 shapes that are going around. and just sit and relax and just see the magic of this hologram. I hope you would have loved this video. Please share this video with your friends and just subscribe us as well.